This is just a quick video. I'm going to show you on my screen how to set up Daily 10. I tried to walk it through step by step. I did 2 explanations. You don't need to watch the whole thing. You might just understand it when you see it. But I'd put Daily 10 in there and then I realized you might not know how to get it set up. So this is the instructional video for Daily 10. So we are going to start, I'm just going to explain to you how to get yourself set up on Daily 10. So this is I'm going to make this full screen so that you're not distracted by my desktop. And here is my, the URL, and now I've put this in our post for this morning. So if you don't want to type this all out, just go to the message I sent you in Teams this morning, the post on Dojo, or the post, the post on Teams in the general. So click on this, then you get to choose. It'll bring you to this site and you can choose what level. I recommend starting at level 1. Oh, never mind, maybe it's level 2. Yes, level 2. So you're going to start at level 2 if you're going to be working on multiplication. If you'd like to do addition and subtraction, I recommend trying that too. So you set yourself up, you go, okay, I want multiplication. Now you're going to choose which ones you want to practice. So say you want to do, now we've been doing tables up to 10, so you can pick from here, and then it won't give you 11 and 12 times. If you'd like to practice your 11 and 12 times, pick from this column. If you just want to practice up to 10, and that's what I'm suggesting for you right now, you can do this. So you can pick, I want to practice my 2 times tables, or I want to practice 2, 5, and 10. So it's totally up to you. Whatever you want to practice today, you just click on it, and it says you will be asked 10 questions. Write down each of your answers. Check your answers at the end. So you can decide how long in between each question. So you maybe want to do 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds. Usually in class I do 7 or 5 seconds. That's what I kind of recommend. You can take 10 seconds if you need more time. If you're someone who does not like stress, then pick 10. Also, this is totally up to you. So you could do manual if you wanted. I'll show you how that works. So all it does is ask you the question, and instead of going to the next question, you have to press next. So 10 times 2 is 20, 3 times 2 is 6, and I would be writing these down. 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 9 times 2 is 18, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4. Now I'm done, and I would have written down my answers, and I can check. You could reveal all if you wanted, or do the thing we do where we click each, and then you can check your work. So this is a really good way to practice your math facts, okay? You don't need anything fancy. You can do this on a computer. You can do this on, I believe you can do this on an iPad. Maybe I'm wrong. But I'm pretty sure you can do this on a mobile device also. Let me know. I know for sure you can do it on a computer. Your computer does not have to be fancy to do it, okay? So this is a wonderful option for practicing. I'm going to go through one more time, okay? So we're going to reload this page, and I'm going to show you the steps one more time. So again, when you click on the link, you're going to get this Daily 10 Math Challenge. You want to choose. If you're in grade 2 and 3, you probably want level 2. If you're in grade 4 and 5, you might want to pick level 3. But level 2, you could pick addition facts, so up to 25, 110 more. So any of these, check it out. Up to 25 and up to 100, using 10 more, those are things we practice. So sure, go for it. I encourage you, though, to definitely do some multiplication. Again, you don't need, if you're in grade 2 and 3, you don't need to do this column unless you want to, which, hey, go for it. But tables to 10, remember we so far have been practicing 2, 3, 5, and 10. 2, 3, 5, and 10. And now next week we're going to be moving into more 3s and 4s. But practicing any of these, you're doing this on your own. Which means if you get it wrong, it's a learning experience for you only. It's kind of freeing, right? You don't have to show anyone this. You can just practice, 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 practice. And then when you get really good at it, you can go, I can do 10 facts and really quickly and I get them all right. Or when I think of my math facts, they just come straight to my head right when I need them. So again, I would pick times 5, and then I can pick my interval. The last time I showed you manual, But remember, this one counts down for you, right? And it's just going to 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20, 1 times 5 is 5, 9 times 5 is 45, 10 times 5 is 50, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, 8 times 5 is 40, 7 times 5 is 35, 3 times 5 is 15. And then I recommend, you don't have to write them down, but I don't remember what I said. So you might want to write them down because then it's easy to check. You can click each at a time, or again, you can click reveal all to get them all at once. I hope you have a chance to check out Daily Time this week. I am going to be suggesting this as we go because this is a really great way to practice without having to have someone sit and give you a test or without having to make flashcards. Okay, so let's practice those multiplication facts, everybody, and I hope this video is helpful to get you set up. Thank you!